Today we have an iPhone 10. Its backside glass is broken. We are going to replace the glass. So let's start after the intro. After laser marking through the laser machine. Now marking the glass through the laser machine with CAD software. Now carefully remove broken glasses. Remove old paste or glue from the phone body. Remove all stains and dust. Apply the paste on every possible point and edge. Take the phone with a clip for a few moments. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to share your opinion, comment in the comment section.